Have you ever wondered how apps, games, or websites actually work? It all begins with something called a programming language. Welcome to Decodes. In today's video, we'll explore what a programming language is, how it works, why it's important with some examples. What is a programming language? A programming language is a set of instructions that we give to a computer so it can perform tasks, solve problems, or create programs. It acts like a bridge between humans and computers. Let's see the differences between human language and computer language. The purpose of human language is to communicate between humans through speaking or writing, whereas computer language is used to give instructions to a computer. The structure of human language has flexible grammar and words, whereas computer language needs strict syntax. People can understand context, tone, and implied meaning. Computers only understand exact commands. Even a small mistake can cause errors. Some of the languages we speak are English, Telugu, etc., but computers can understand only programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, HTML, etc. Now let's see how programming languages work. Computers only understand binary code, zeros and ones. Writing in binary directly is extremely hard and slow. Programming languages like Python, C, Java allow us to write human-readable instructions and are then converted into binary by compilers or interpreters, so that the computer can understand them in binary language and displays the output. Here's an example of how a programming language works. First, the code which we have typed will go to the compiler and the compiler converts into binary code, zeros and ones, so that the computer understands and displays the output. Why programming languages are important? They bring computers to life. Without programming, a computer or phone is just metal, glass, and circuits. Programming tells the device what to do. Example: the calculator app works because it's programmed to take numbers, add, subtract, and display results. They make software and apps possible. Every app that we use daily, like YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, games, etc., exists because of programming languages. Example: Instagram is built with Python, JavaScript, and Java. They create opportunities. Learning programming opens career paths in software development, data science, AI, web design, and more. Even if you don't want to become a programmer, knowing coding basics helps you understand the modern digital world. Now you know what a programming language is and why it's so important. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite programming language?